Wow, that gyoza was so expensive. 150 yen for one gyoza. Jumbo one, yeah. Why is the bitrate so bad? Maybe you're overheating. Oh. Do you want me to hold your stuff while you go look for a button? This place looks sleek as fuck. Wait, which place?
If you get 30 Dany, you get 30.
Then it's just full price. Dumbo?
ダウンロード。
あ、大丈夫
大
です。
丈夫ですか？はい。
アプリダウンロードで3000円引きで。
はい、で55円のお返しです。はい、こちらどうぞ。はい、OK です。
ありがとうございます。
はい、ありがとうございます。
When the first one opened in Australia, in Melbourne, they had that. So
We don't have it in building. I think.
sorry guys, I guess inside these buildings is really bad reception. Chichi? Are we live? Chichi, okay. How many modems are we on? 4. We are on 4 connections. Did I break my HDMI? No. It shouldn't be broken. How is it this bad? I guess in the middle of the country, and sometimes like I think that's all metal. I think we're living in this is like a Faraday cage. I'm pretty sure that's like all metal right there. Are the modems throttled? No, they shouldn't be. They were going at full speed before. Oh, Kimetsu no Yaiba movie.
Yeah,
Ah.
I would have watched it
Up here, right? Middle of the country, never mind, didn't realize this is Tokyo. Yeah, we're in Chiba. I mean, it's greater Tokyo. And some people would argue it's not the country. But to me, living in central Tokyo, this is country. Oh, do you think they were cosplay? Maybe cosplay. I need a bag this size for cosplay. I need a smaller suitcase. I saw some in where the Modoff place is. They had like 50% off and 70% off. I'm like, wow,
Is this
it looks so pretty.
Is this the Shibuya crossing of Chiba? Really everybody comes here to hang out. There's nothing else around.
I guess.
70% off?
Yeah, 70% off and 50% off. I'm like, wow, these suitcases must be so cheap. And I was like, oh, they're so pretty. And I was gonna buy one. And then it was like 8,000 yen and then 1,000,000 yen for the size, my size. And that was after 70% off.
That was Nima.
I know, but yours is Love Life.
Yeah.
And I just wanted a small suitcase. I didn't want a fancy one. And it was like 1,000,000 yen or more. And that's after 70% off.
Yeah.
It's way better now, Franklin Prime. You're watching 480 by standard. It looks better than that. So it takes time to stabilize. People always jump in a little bit the moment it happens. Give it a bit to strengthen, especially since we're walking as well. Hello, Stuart Harper. Hello. 2020 is the longest period you've spent sexless. I think 2020 is the longest time a lot of people have spent sexless.
It was so cute. There's people. There were people cosplaying Mickey and Minnie, Cinderella, but as the maid. Aurora.
I saw Ariel. And
Yeah, I saw Ariel too. That's many Disney things to
Yeah.
me too.
And then I saw.
Is this Love Live or that boys anime that I don't know the name that they dance to? That they have like 40 characters.
Oh, okay. And then I also saw two people doing Love Live with the hat, the maid
Yeah.
one that we did.
It was Maki and
Miss not being hunted by stay-at-home humans. What? Oh, Asian Spidey. Feels bad, man. Oh, this omurice is coming up. Omurice taste. There's always your pillow. Do you want an elevator?
Yes.
It took you 10 seconds to get that, puppy. Slow. Slow. Once we're on the train, I think the connection's gonna be a bit patchy, so we might raid. But I'll wait till we're actually on the train. Vader is not a tactical F. Beef mignon. What do you